Hi everyone, this is another ClickFix tutorial on how to use our shortcodes. So in this video, I want to show you how you can turn a text field into a signature field so that the user can draw their signature. So for this, you're going to need a long text field. This is very important. It's not going to work in a normal text field. So if we go to the code, this is literally everything that you need, just signature and then your field ID or your field name. If you want to figure out what your field name is, you can go to the publish page and use the ClickFix Chrome extension to highlight the field name. So if you use this button, it's going to highlight the field name, but since I already created the signature field, it's not doing it. But basically, the name of this field is notes. That's why I added the notes here. So that's all you need. When you publish the page is where it's going to look like, and then you can draw your signature. This also works on mobile devices to make the drawing process a little bit easier. And if you're wondering how the signature is saved, so if you go to your contact, this is the contact that I created with the signature. Obviously, there is no email or name because I didn't add those fields to the page. But this is how Ontraport is going to save your signature as an image. So if you copy this link, you can open this picture. And here it is. Here's the signature that I created, and it's now saved to your contacts. So I hope that this is useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!